check out these beautiful lash clusters to give the false lash look. And you can obviously do these from home. So really awesome kit here. You have a ton of lashes, all the way from 10 millimeter all the way down to 16 millimeter, depending on the size of your eye, the shape of your eye, the length of your lashes. You really can customize your look. Comes in this beautiful case as well to protect your lashes and make sure they're not going to get beat up at all when you're not using them. So really awesome. Again, you can pull these off individually with tweezers, and then you apply it using like a bonding glue and put it underneath the lashes. Again, it gives kind of more of that natural extension look versus the full strip lash on top of the lashes. It does have very simple and easy to understand instructions and everything right there. So you can do your at-home lash extension. Again, very beautiful, nice cluster. Like they're a decent like thickness, but not too dramatic, where they're gonna look, you know, too much, but definitely can customize it depending on your own eyes and lashes. So overall, super awesome set of lashes, lash clusters. Definitely go check this out, and I hope you love it.